Vantastic is going bonkers!
A new country day, Germany, the land of sauerkraut and land of big forests. We came over the border to Germany, just beside the Schwarzwald. Schwarzwald is like behind that forest over there. And just enjoying the evening here. Also, we drove through roads of Germany, and driving culture, it's totally different in Spain and France, where we have been for the couple of 2 years. So it's a learning curve to drive again here, because everyone is driving fast, efficiently, and everyone use their blinkers and driving as the law says. Yeah. This is just some old quarry, I think, and there is a fireplace. Why we chose this place was about the grill. We will just eat some dinner in the van and enjoy the sunset. We love that Germany, even if there's millions and millions of people here in Germany, still there is these quiet sounds and also quiet places where you can go. We went for a longer walk with Pulla in the forest, and he's enjoying life again.
And Germany Wi-Fi is the worst. We cannot get any reception here, but we don't care because the beautiful surroundings, and we are going to eat a delicious pizzas here in our compact küche.
First poop experience in our new toilet. This channel turned into poop channel.
How did it went?
Terribly.
Really?
Yeah, I did poop a little bit to the side. So I wasn't in the right place. So now I learned how to poop in airhead. In a cassette toilet, the hole is this small.
And you
always hit that. You never hit a sides. And this has like this size hole, and I did miss it a little bit. Okay.
But Joni did clean it.
Yes, it was easy to clean. I'm still puzzled how that will work. Let's see. But I think it will be working great.
Because it doesn't smell at all.
It doesn't smell at all. As you can see, Pulla is half blind. He doesn't even recognize Sarah. So now we are at top of the cupolas. So the bunkers are beneath us, and the main entrance is 1 kilometer that way in that forest. So this hill is full of cupolas and the guns. Block 6 cupola, and this is still working, so they can raise it and they can actually circulate it, and it's still working great. And Europe in general is really good for if you like war history, because World War II things are all around, because the fights were all around Europe. Yeah, so there is this site called World War II Remains, I think it was, and they have done a quite massive map where you can actually see those places. But usually these are really popular places to visit, so it's easy to find them from the Google Maps also. For example, this was the nicest bunkers of the Maginot Line, so that's why we came here. So we came to the Maginot Line. There's a line of bunkers between the French and German border. And yeah, now we go, I think, 7 stories down into the bunker and see what is there. Yeah, we saw one bunker before we came here. We had a lunch there, and then came to this museum that we can go there. So they tried to bomb this bunker. That didn't do anything. That did a little bit of damage, and that just cracked one of the tunnels. This is from the power plant, and it smells like electricity in here, and endless tunnels again. So they had fuel here for 3 months. They had food here for 3 months. I like this a lot. Just wandering around, it was at least 2 hours of just wandering around and seeing things. Yeah, this has been a huge bunker because there was over 600 people back in the days. Yeah, and they had these turrets on the ground, dozens of them, and they have a lot of guns. And during the war, this place actually survived, and they hold the line to the date the French surrendered, and they didn't surrender at that point, just 2 weeks after, because of the command of the high command. Yeah, so these back in the days worked great, and I think even nowadays they would work absolutely great. Yeah, this is huge thing. There's everything inside here, and imagine the life and so much people here just going through these tunnels and doing their own things. Yeah, I love history, and I love especially World War II history. Yeah, this has been on my bucket list for a long time to come to see the Maginot Line. This area is especially full of them, like every 5 to 10 kilometers there is at least one this kind of bunker and lots of other things around. Between there is the smaller bunkers and also fortifications and everything. Yeah, really interesting again. And it was a funny thing that they called the attacker as tourists, not invaders or enemies. They are tourists. It's not a circular route, you have to go back. So it's a straight line of 1 kilometer from the end to the entrance. It starts from here and goes to the front like 1 kilometer, and there was this, a lot of things inside. Very interesting. Well worth of 10 euros. Topic of the day has been military, so we continue with that. So today or tonight we will be enjoying this night in old US airbase. Yeah, this has been airbase like maybe 10 years ago, 20 years ago, because there's trees growing in the middle. So it has been a quite long time, but there's some bunkers, and there's still these concrete slabs there. So cold place, really cold place. And there's always van life shuffle. You always try to find the better place to spoondock. Yeah, this would be a really great place. This is just a plateau in an air base. So old buildings there, and just this place to park your van for the night. We are on the strip, as they said, spending night. So that will be also great place to spend the night.
This is what our life have become. Being cold and walking in the industrial area. In a beautiful sunset.
Our van is there.
It's pretty cold outside, so the wind is really brutal. We decided to come inside of the van and fire up our wood stove. We thought we would not need to use it in Europe this summer, but we were wrong. Thank you, Jani, for being with me in the bunkers. It was very nice day.
Yes, and we saw also couples.
Yeah, lots of couples.
Pool.
Yeah, we will go bed and just enjoy this live fire. choose from Kaiserslautern.
Morning, we drove here.
Yeah, the big city. In the middle of the night I woke up in the crucial pain and peeing hurted a lot, and I immediately knew I had a bladder infection because I have had it before.
So we just googled the nearest
Doctor.
doctor. It's arts. Arts in German.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is not like a city hospital. This is
a private clinic.
Private clinic. We are asked a lot why we don't buy insurance, because insurance are so expensive. And also now when we have been a longer time away from Finland, we are not covered in Finnish insurance, health insurance.
So everything we have to pay out of our own pockets.
So we go to the private clinics, and yeah, it's our decision, and we take responsibility of our health. And yeah,
thank God we are in Europe, cheap Europe.
We went to doctor office. It took us 40 minutes to go to the laboratory and then to the doctor and out. It costed 14 euros 7 cents.
The whole thing.
I was thinking that she was putting wrong numbers in the computer. That is 40 euros.
Incredible. Healthcare in Europe is so good and so affordable. You don't need any insurances.
No, don't take insurance.
Yeah.
It's stupid. It would cost us for 1 year insurance would be, I think, 700 or 800 euros.
Yeah.
If it costs 40 euros to go to the doctor office in
you
private
get
clinic,
treatment right away, and I got my antibiotics, so
it was 60 euros. It was more than the doctor office.
yeah.
But yeah, we are never gonna buy insurance in Europe.
No.
In other countries, yes, it's totally different case, but in Europe, we don't take insurance. Yeah. Now we go to Kaufland or E-Center to buy
Cranberries and lingonberries that help to ease the pain.
So that is our plan, and then we go to the central Kaiserslautern to eat some burgers. Left the van to the outskirts of the town. I'm gonna go walk to the central and go to restaurant and see what is there. Not really Google anything, so this is just what comes along.